to program a TI-84 plus with the formula of Heron's formula, where it will ask you for the three sides of the triangle and it will give you the area. So we're first going to go to program and we're going to create a whole new one. I usually name it what it deals with, so I'm going to name it Heron's. So I have H-E-R-O-N, and then you just hit enter when you're done with the name. First thing that we want to do is we want to call upon the calculator for an A, B, C, and D. So I'm going to go to program, and I'm going to go to the in and out function, and down to number 2 where I'm going to say prompt. The prompt will again ask for your values of the A, B, and C. Those will represent the sides of the triangle. So I'm going to put A, comma, B, comma, C. Okay. Our next thing is we need an S value, and our S value in the Heron's formula is going to be the perimeter of the triangle divided by 2. So we're going to put that in. We're going to do the parentheses of A plus B plus C. All of that is divided by 2, and that is going to be stored as our S value. So again, it's A plus B plus C, all of that divided by 2, and we're storing it as our S. Okay? Next, we're going to put in the main part of the formula, which is going to be the square root of the S times the S minus each of the side. So we're going to do square root. It gives you the opening parentheses, which we're going to start with the S. Then we have our S minus A piece, close parentheses. We're going to repeat for the B side and the C side. So S minus B and S minus C. If you happen to get out of that, you could just go back to program and edit. That sometimes happens when you're typing fast. I'm going to go back to this line, and it's going to be S minus C. Okay, close parentheses, and I'm closing again the whole parenthesis of the square root part. This is the beginning, this is the end parentheses, and we're going to store that value as our X. You can call it whichever value you would like. It's just a value that we're going to use later on. Alright, so once we set up our A, B, C as our sides and our S value and our formula piece, we're going to then have the display. Alright, you're going to go to Program, over to the in and out, and we're going down to option 3 for display, and hit enter. You can have some free range with this, but basically you're displaying the area of the triangle. So what you want it to say is the area is or area equals. You're just going to start with the quotation marks over here on the plus sign, and I'm just going to put the area is. I put alpha lock on so it's a little bit easier to type. Once you're done with the display area piece, you can end quotations, and we're going to put a comma. Delete that. Let's get off the alpha lock. Comma, and I'm going to have it display my X value. Right, alpha X. Okay, and that's about it. So let's test it out. Alright, we're going back to home screen. We're going to call upon the program, which is going to be program and 1. Alright, you hit enter and it will ask for A. Let's go with a 3, 4, 5 triangle because we definitely know the area of that. So we're calling side A 3, enter, side B 4, and side C 5. And it'll go through and it calculate for the area is 6, which we know area is 1/2 base times height. So 3 times 4 is 12, and half of that is 6. So we know that our program worked. So hopefully this was a good insight on how to program your TI-84 for the Heron's formula of calling upon the three sides of a triangle